Hey Cakenistas, it's Marisha. I'm going to show you guys how to make a huge fondant bow cake topper. So I just rolled out some white fondant here. I'm going to start off by making 2 long strips for our bow loops. Try to make a nice straight line. This is going to be one huge bow loop. This is approximately 22 centimeters long. Bring this over to the other side like that. And I'm just going to pinch this together. And I'm making a crease on purpose. Just pinch this together. I would use water, but it is so sticky already. It's like the perfect consistency for me. And I have some tissue here. Unfortunately, it's black. Let me get some white tissue because when your tissue leaves little black specks, that's the problem. I have some white tissue here, and we just want to roll this up to make it puffy. And this is going to keep the shape of our bow. Just stick it right on through. You can actually make any of the little creases that you want to make in the bow. And just make it look really puffy and frilly, like it's actually made of fabric if you can. And then we're going to cut this off so that we just have a very clean cut right there. So that's going to dry off to the side. Meanwhile, we can make the other piece. Just going to carefully just put it all in there, stick it together, and then pinch and make my little frills match the pieces up just to make sure that they're both the same height. And then just push them together so you can get a good look and feel of the bow. Beautiful. Okay. Now we're going to move on to the center of the bow. We want it to look puffy, so we're going to do that by folding over the edges, just the top and bottom, flipping that over, and then creating a crease in the center and pushing that together. Give it a dab of water. You could actually connect these two with water. That's pretty important. I'm going to simply wrap the centerpiece around. The top tier is going to be a 6-inch cake, and I have a 6-inch cake pan right here. It's going to sit just like that. I'm actually going to make the tails. They're just going to be quick and easy. They're probably the easiest part of the bow. You're just going to make a rectangle, but you're going to cut off one angle like that right there. And you don't even have to attach this to the bow just yet. You could actually sit it on top of the cake. Point the edge upward a little bit if you like. I wanted to get the shape of the cake, so I'm going to let this dry on the cake pan. Just like that. Now I am just decorating my 6-inch cake. I'm just covering it in buttercream and then some white fondant. And this is the bow. It has been hardening for about 3 days, just sitting out. As much as I want to leave it white because it is just so adorable, I was asked to paint it gold. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna paint it gold. But I really, really, really loved it white. Like, it's ridiculous. I mean, it's okay gold, you know. This breaks my heart. I would have loved to have been able to spray paint this. I do have a spray paint machine now that I want to use with you guys. I was able to just sit my bow right on top of those little tail pieces that we made. And that was all. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This was the finished product. Let me know what other cake accessories that you would like to see next. Couture in a jumbo mumbo fondant bow. Bye guys.